Hello, in front of me I have SUUNTO Race and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the SUUNTO applications, or other application, my bad. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the SUUNTO application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the watch icon right here at the top of the screen. As you can see, we have this notification right here, and that notifications are disabled. If you see this message, you can tap on Enable. It will redirect you to the device and app notifications. Scroll down, find the SUUNTO app, tap on it. Tap on the button next to Allow Notification Access, tap on Allow, then go back to the app. Wait until the watch is done syncing, and once it's done, tap on Notifications on watch. So we need to wait until it's done connecting with the phone. For some reason the watch doesn't want to connect. Let's try again. So I'm gonna basically reopen the app like this, tap on this watch. Let's see now. Okay, and once the watch is connected with your phone, you can scroll down and tap on Notifications on watch. And here we can customize the settings for our notifications. We have watch receives the notifications. Basically, if you disable this option, the notifications won't work. If you enable it, you will enable the notifications. Then we have message types, and we have application notifications, call notifications, and message notifications. You can tap on app notifications here and enable the app notifications or disable them by tapping on the switch, or by tapping on the switch next to specific applications to enable the notifications for them. I believe this list will fill in with the apps once you receive notifications from them. So we're gonna test that theory later, but for now let's go back. And here we can also enable the call notifications or disable them, and same for the messages. Okay, and once you enable the notifications, you can go back to the home screen and you should be able to receive the notifications. But I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord first. Okay, we received the notification on Discord. As you can see, it's working now. I thought we need to go back to the app and enable the Discord, but apparently we don't need to do that. It's working automatically. So that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.